Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you can't see the Call of Duty mobile on your Lenovo Legion. So as you can see, I'm in the Google Play Store and I will just type in Call of Duty, and from here I can't find the proper game. I can't find the Call of Duty mobile. So now in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our Google account settings, locate family and scroll down a bit to get into parental controls. From here we want to disable parental controls by entering the PIN code. For me it's 1234, but you need to know the one that is protecting your account. From here, after we disable the setting, we can search for Call of Duty again, and it's right here. I can press on the install and game should start downloading. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.